Assalamu alaikum, it's the captain in Pakistan, continuing my Pakistan vlogging series. So today I've got a bit of a bad boy vlog that I'm going to be doing, a bit of a fun and enjoying one. What I want to do today is I want to do a motorbike ride. I'm going to be riding a Pakistani motorbike after 4 years, mashallah. So I want to test my motorbike Tekkers out. I want to see if I still can ride one or not. I guarantee I'll be stalling so many times and probably even fall off it, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? So granyo आज motorbike नहीं motorcycle नहीं आखा motorcycle नहीं सैर कराने हैं आपने गिराने में ते वक्री वक्री गलियां में कैप्टन इंशाल्लाह motorcycle चला सी मेरे पास पता है पहली तो गाले स्टॉल कर सी yeah the दूसरी गाले मैं पता है I'm gonna fall off my test ठीक है we'll see what happens. So the motorbike that we've got is a Zimco. It's a 70cc, a standard motorbike for Pakistan use. There you go. There's the Zimco company motorcycle, and there's the reg at the back. Give you a front angle as well. There you go. Give you a front angle. This one I think has got lights as well. It's got the brake lights and it's got the headlights as well. But I mean, like, I know not the standard ones. It's got the special effects ones. Hopefully, inshallah, I'll show you those as well as the sun sets. So yeah, a motorcycle ni, ये फिर inshallah check करने हैं चलाने हैं. I'm gonna sit down now. I'm gonna give you a motorcycle test. I'm nervous, you know. I'm nervous. I swear, man. I'm nervous. So it's already started, as you can see. Shall I switch it off? Yeah, let me switch it off. Let me start it myself. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Come on, here you go. Alright, so it's on off play, it's on. So the green light's on, it's on neutral. It's not in gear, yeah. So we're gonna start it off. This is the starting point that always get wrong. Because this is the this is clutch, kick. This is the kick. Oh, the kickstart, and you gotta turn the throttle and give a bit of gas. Gas is hard, doing it. Yeah. So let's try it. Bismillah. Yeah, mashallah. Very good, mashallah. Now, so you've got this is the front brake. Yeah. This is the clutch. Yeah. Right over here on the left hand side. You've got the first gear. Yeah. And then you've got. So gear up, yeah, shifting gears up, shifting gears back, and then on the right hand side you've got the back brake on it. Back brake, yeah, that's it. So let's see them. Let's see them. चलाने हैं ना इंशाल्लाह ट्राई करनी है और सोलो भी एक लाई कैमरे से लाए लेकिन जो गिरा कैमरा नहीं वो चलाता ना वो फिर फ्रंट व्यू दिखा सी. Yeah. So I gotta put it back in neutral. Gear good to leader. So yeah, as you can see, look, I got the local villagers as well, mashallah, surrounding me. Making minute check करने पे क्या कौन चला के सीखना है. तू चला के ना? वाह, mashallah. Yeah, पहली gear पागल ओले. Clutch पागल. Clutch. नहीं क्लच ला नहीं लाता स्टार्ट कर सना नहीं and then slowly release the clutch. Allah, bismillah. फिलहाल मैं खाली सेकंड पार्टी हूँ सेकंड में चला सा So yes people, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm on the motorbike as I say, giving you a front view of the village. Just doing a little village ride. Like either one first. Cái con xe chốt, That's it first. Now marble second. ठीक है, bismillah. It'll be back into first. Allow ole. ठीक है, bismillah. 2711. Right, perfect. ठीक है, bismillah. It'll be ठीक है, सेकंड ना ठीक है, चलो और आ गई है कभी पास होगा ये उनके दो ये भी फर्स्ट Assalamualaikum, here, Tigo. Bro, bas ho gayi. Do my best to find that first, second, and third. Need a bother. Yeah, as you can see, my cousin's recording as well from the front. You probably can see hear a bit of me talking. Intro second.
Either second, then I go first. Jump to.
Intro.
Jump to first.
So you probably can just about hear me. So I am getting familiar with it. But obviously, जब साल बाद ride करना so पता नहीं किक रोसी. ओले चला कर. There you go, back. What do you think, people? Is it okay? Oi, bismillah. Oi. Spanish baggy. Spanish baggy. Bismillah. Come on. Captain, come on, you got this. Oi, need it. So जिले first ने jump तो बंदा जिले पाना है फिर ओले ते full clutch का half clutch half ठीक है अला और इधर कभी बन जाओ सीधा first image
neutral
neutral So what do you think then, people? Hey? You alright? I don't think I've got the motorcycle Tekkers yet, man. Either on, second or first?
पहले सेकंड करना पानी से बोले गारोस फिर आगे पीप करके फर्स्ट कर लिया
It'll be first. खैर बंदा चले रखना है
पर हम मंडी तले तो एक है लगी एक्सीडेंट में
चले तले पे रखा I got used to not looking now. It'll first. Yeah, first.
थोड़ा दे
वो नहीं दबा वो सोचे मैं खाने के लिए पहले चीज़ पाना ठीक है ऐसा में मंडी Ghourghushti. So we're in the Mandi now. Mashallah, you know, that's a good point for me, to be honest. Guys are alright. Starts, bear me. I've got it this far, mashallah. You know, collect, you did change करना ना? फिर ये छोटे बखाना. वालेकुम सलाम ये क्या? ये भी है. चले जाइए. Oh, really? Yes, come on. This one, a little hump coming up. Back into first and then slowly.
Full clutch करके करो.
Full clutch. Yeah. ठीक है. Second. Yeah, we've just gone past the Mandi, and now we're going towards the high school. Now another hump approaching, so slowly brake, put it back in second, and first, and then slowly, yeah, bismillah, and then back in second, okay, slowly over the hump. Is that okay?
Okay.
Alright, change, go ahead. मेरी दाद बंदा किधर पास आना है फिर?
दाद बंदा पीछे रह गया.
पीछे? वो क्यों बंदा वैसे?
वो पिछली मोड़ है.
अला ठीक है वो तो करना है.
आगे चला है.
अला high school band?
वो दूसरा गेट.
So yeah, as you can see, Sean, the high school. The high school on the right hand side. Football match is going on. We'll come back on the way and then we'll have a look. You know, second. Over the.
Second is you.
Huh?
Second is you.
Oh, just over. Here you go. And then now slowly. Now second as well. Normal.
मोटरसाइकिल से तो मोड़ तो मोड़.
इधर इंडिकेटर दे. Indicator.
कुछ भी नहीं.
ठीक है. So we're going to turn right now.
First is first.
All right, back into first, and then slowly we're going to turn. Is it clear? Yeah, it is. It's clear. Bismillah. Yeah. So, थोड़ा जगह है, so तो roll in here.
आगे.
So another bump. Don't look down. Over, nice and comfortably. Bismillah. I'm telling you, nah, if you sit down on a motorcycle for your first time, you are going to be scared. Alhamdulillah, I'm not scared, but I'm like, I need more practice. And obviously, when you drive in Pakistan, it's just next level. It's crazy. So you got to be very careful.
Right turn.
Right hand. Alright, we're going to turn right, drop it into second. I should have not looked at the gear again. First.
Third eye.
First?
Second eye.
Now what? I mean third.
Second.
Now we second. ठीक है, alright, that's fine. Now third. Third. You gonna get on me? ये वाली दाल बंद है. Atik, Makazi, if you're watching this, ये वाली दाल बंद है. ठीक है, especially for you man, माशाल्लाह. मैंने देखने चेक करने तेरा कार किधर है. Drop it into a second. ठीक है, Makazi, we're just in your gully. Just trying to find your house. Asked one of the locals as well, so I'll put you there. And there's the house, mashallah. Look, 14, mashallah. Fully turned up. There you go. So तेरा भी कहा माशाल्लाह ब्लॉग में आगे पहले तू हो मैं तेरी करी नहीं भी टोर करा तू हो